You don't need a degree or experience to earn money online in 2026. In this video, I'm going to be bringing you remote jobs that hire globally from anywhere in the world you are located without no experience, no prior knowledge of anything, and you get to start making online from the comfort of your home. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, subscribe. If you're new here, do want to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, do want to like, leave a comment, and let's get started. And turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I bring a new video to you guys. The world is becoming a digital globe whereby people don't really go to work anymore. All they have to do is get jobs online or get people to do jobs for them online, and they don't need to leave the comfort of their home. So in this video, I'm bringing to you sites that you can get jobs globally from anywhere you are located in the world. Okay guys, let's get to it. The first site where you can easily get jobs, data entry level jobs, no experience needed jobs that you can get on the site, and the site is called Paper Per Hour. On Paper Per Hour, you just have to create your account with your Gmail. When you create your account, you get to start searching for jobs according to your levels, and I'll be showing you some few jobs here that depend on amount. So when you come on it, you have to tap on your experience level, entry level. You tap on remote, because they do have remote and on-site. You tap on remote jobs. You tap on entry level. When you tap on entry level, you get to see the different entry level jobs that they have. For example, this person is offering you $46 to add products to their e-commerce website. So all you have to do, go to Paper Per Hour, create your profile, and start searching remote jobs that you can easily do according to your level. The next site, number 2 site, I'll pay you as a remote worker. That way you can get jobs as a remote worker. It's called Toluca. With Toluca, you get to do simple jobs such as data annotations. What's the data annotation? Data annotation is you labeling products, images, tags, all those things, videos, labeling the different kind of, maybe a text, an audio, or a video that they can give to you to label. So all you have to do is go to toluca.ai. As you see on my screen, they say earn extra money with online tags. How does it work? You sign up, you create an account, you complete a short training program, you pick a tax when available, you choose from tags that match your skills, and you withdraw your money So all you have to do is sign up, do a short training, and start doing data annotation tasks and start earning money on Toluca. Toluca is very simple. It's not complicated. Anybody can do it. It's entry level. You don't need the experience. All you have to do is simple tasks such as labeling images, audios, or maybe listening to an audio and transcribing, or maybe they'll give you a particular video and they ask you to identify a particular thing. The third site that we'll be talking about, where you can work from anywhere remotely, is called remotax.com. On Remotax, all you have to do is sign up with your email and start getting different tags, and according to different tags with different pays, and when you do them, at the end of it, you get to withdraw your money. And Remotax have paid over $15 million, and they have over 240,000 tax cuts every year, and they are in over 90 plus countries. So what do you have to do to get paid? Learn easily, complete tasks, get paid weekly. So what you're going to do when you sign up, they will give you a little training program where you learn how to do the tax on the website. After you do the tax, after you are done with the training, you then become qualified to start taking different tasks. So when you start completing different tasks and you get paid weekly, you get to withdraw your money weekly according to the amount of tasks that you've done. So all you have to do, create your account, go through the application process, apply, do the training, which takes few minutes or hours. After you've done the training, you qualify, you start taking different tasks, and you start earning money, and at the end of every week they get to pay you. Next site that you can get remote jobs easily is called, I'm gonna be bringing to you guys, it's called Just Answer. With Just Answer, you get to answer questions from different people. You get to answer their worries, their questions from different people. And Just Answer is a recognized site by Fox, by CNN, by NBC. It's New York Times. They are well recognized, and many people come on there with different tasks, with different questions that they want you to answer for them. And when you give them the solution to the answer, you get paid to help people. They ask you, you answer. Anywhere, anytime, hours, desktop or smartphone. You can use your desktop or your smartphone. Choose your workload on your own terms. Grow your skill level. Thrive in a community. So all you have to do, apply online. You verify your credentials, because they will ask you for your credentials to know if you're a real person, and you start earning money. So that's the process. That's all you have to do, and you start earning money on the website. Other sites I'll be promote sites that you can easily get job and get paid. It's a teaching site called Engo. On Engo, you get to meet Japanese, Chinese kids that you can teach, or adults that you can teach on there, and you get paid. There, it's a good site because their majorities, it's populated by Chinese and Japanese. All those Asian communities are on the site, and they always want to learn English language. And no matter what level you are, if you're an English language teacher in an entry level, you can easily teach the Engo website, engo.com. You register. They do after you register, they will do a connection test to show that you have a strong connection. After they do a connection test, the third process, they will give you teaching materials, training materials that you have to train yourself. After you've done the training materials, you do a demo lesson. So demo lesson is to get to train you how to teach in the classroom, in the demo classroom. So you do a demo lesson. After you've done your demo lesson and you pass very well, that's when you start teaching and you start making money. And the good thing is you get to put your own price. You get to state your own price, and you don't need to stress yourself doing lesson material because they provide you already made templates, already made lesson materials for you. You don't need to create any lesson materials. The lesson materials are already on the site where you can just get them and you teach. So all you have to do is show up and teach. You don't need to prepare any lesson material. You can only decide when you want to teach. You don't teach. You decide the hours you want to teach, the hours you'll be available to teach. Nobody will tell you, oh, you need to teach at this time. You decide your lesson hours for yourself and when you're available to teach. So it's a very good site. All you have to do is sign up, do the training process, and when you pass the training process, get familiar with the lesson, the classroom, the digital classroom. When you get familiar with the classroom, you start teaching and upgrading your profile and making money online. So guys, that's it for this video. With all the sites I've brought to you, try one or two and you see that you get jobs, anyone that you want to do. These are all entry-level jobs that you can easily do. You don't need so much experience. You just need to know how to talk. For example, data annotation, you don't need any experience. You just need to know how to read. If you know how to read, you can do data annotations. If you know how to identify stuff, you can do it. Customer service, you go on paper per hour, you can find customer service jobs, different jobs. Just answer, you go on just answer, you get to meet different questions from different people and you get to answer them and they pay you. If you all like what I'm bringing to you and you want to encourage me, guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to turn it so that you get notified whenever I bring a new video. And leave a comment if you have any questions, anything bothering you, or if you have any topic that you want me to talk on. Write them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And please do not forget to check out this video that I brought to you. Don't forget to check it out. And thank you all so much. Without you, I'll not be here. Thank you all so much. I'm sending all my kisses and my love to you all. Thank you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.